of all the unsacred moments, and of all those ever and ever mistakes, why must we grieve of our joys and sadness? Or why must we celebrate and relish memories secret? Or why must we regret through each memory what too did not become a tragedy, and lust after it? All those counterparts again. Yes, why? Looking and seeking and musing our greetings with open arms upon our open boats, this open vessel of life, of flesh, full of viperous fuels, greasing the final flames, greasing the final flames. Oh, why must we relish the next sin only to forgive? Why relish the next sin only to forgive our next regrets? Oh, why must we mistake? Oh, why lust? Oh, why live again only to forgive the next regrets? Yes. Of all those unsacred moments and all of those ever and ever mistakes, oh, why must we grieve again? The coming joys fueled with silence and sadness, only left again to be forgiven. And it is the next regret.